Yum, yum.
Why do that? Why?
Sakalit girl good.
No, it's not a medicine.
Gusto ka sa medicine?
It's the different one. It's not the smoke.
One for the nebulizer.
It's not the nebulizer. Different.
You can go to the...
It's for the tummy. It's to fight the bacteria in the tummy.
I thought it was...
Those, it has good, you know, that one has good bacteria in the bacteria, in the live good bacteria.
I thought it was for the nebulizer.
Yeah. Because it's not the same container, right? Oh, no more.
Oh, yeah.
Ito mo na ng ubos, kasi mo talaga eh. Wala nga mga balik, iba talaga pag-pambron.
Tatay. Tatay.
Talagang duwal talaga pag-pambron, kahit kailan.
Tatay. Why does your husband scared of vacuum cleaners?
Vacuum cleaners?
Those are
Then they can get sucked in the vacuum. Why?
that suck into the vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, vacuum cleaner. Just like this, you need the air floating. So if you use the vacuum cleaner, the ghost is gonna get sucked inside the vacuum. That's why the ghosts are afraid of the vacuum cleaner. You know the ghost, the white one, like Casper. Do you know Casper?
Yeah.
Casper, the friendly ghost.
Oh, yeah.
Very good talaga sa
Casper is a boy ghost.
Or...